front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Firstly, open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now use this plus at the bottom left corner of chat window, and to add an audio file, select Files. Now most people don't know that you can not only hit audio here and look for your file, you can also look for it in one of those apps or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in any of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, click on it to attach it. If you want to create it now and send it, use this button at the bottom right corner. Tap on the microphone icon to record your message, and use the same one to finish it. Now you can choose Restart and Start Over, or tap on Attach to add it to your message. When in case to attaching videos, click on the same plus. Then click on the Gallery section. Select any video by clicking on it and hit Done. Then send it after it's attached. You can also use the same plus to click on Camera. Record your video now the same way as you would using tablet's camera, and it will be automatically added when you finish. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!